Ever wondered how to turn your kitchen into the most beautiful and functional space in your home? Did you know that 70% of homeowners prioritize kitchen design over any other room? Stay tuned to learn the top 12 designer kitchen ideas that will transform your kitchen into a welcoming, stylish, and practical hub. A well-designed kitchen is the heart of any home. It's where meals are prepared, memories are made, and families gather. Stay with me until the end, and I'll reveal a special bonus tip that you won't want to miss. Whether you're planning a renovation or just looking for fresh inspiration, these ideas will help you create your dream kitchen. Let's get started with the first idea. Bespoke storage solutions. This concept is all about creating personalized storage tailored to your kitchen needs. Imagine having dedicated bread drawers, veggie bins, appliance cubbies, and specialized utensil drawers. These custom solutions maximize space and keep your kitchen organized. The beauty of bespoke storage lies in its ability to cater specifically to your lifestyle. Assess your kitchen and pantry requirements. Do you need more space for knives, serving platters, or water bottles? The sky's the limit when it comes to personalizing your storage. Tailor your storage solutions to fit your unique needs and watch your kitchen become more functional and stylish. Next, we have the island extension. This innovative idea involves adding an extension to your kitchen island, creating additional functionality and a furniture-like feel. This extension can serve various purposes: additional seating, a bookshelf for cookbooks, or a chopping block. What makes this concept stand out is the use of different materials for the base cabinetry and the countertop. Consider using butcher block, marble, or any material that contrasts with your main island. This not only enhances functionality, but also adds a cozy, inviting atmosphere to your kitchen, making it less utilitarian and more like a living space. Designer idea number 3 is the use of natural rough-cut stone for backsplashes and walls. This trend has been gaining popularity for its ability to add texture and natural beauty to the kitchen. Using stone typically reserved for exteriors or fireplaces in your kitchen can create a unique and visually stunning space. The rough texture of natural stone brings a sense of rustic charm and earthy elegance. It can also tie your kitchen design to other areas of your home, creating a cohesive look. Whether it's a full wall or a backsplash, incorporating rough-cut stone will add depth and interest to your kitchen. Our fourth idea is all about creative countertop edges. While most kitchens feature standard square edges, opting for unique profiles can significantly elevate your kitchen's look. Consider raked edges, OG edges, or even a combination of different profiles. These unique edge details add character and sophistication. For instance, a raked edge can offer a contemporary feel, while an OG edge brings in traditional charm. Mixing edge details can create a visually interesting and dynamic countertop, making your kitchen stand out. Designer idea number 5 is integrated stone sinks. These sinks are crafted from the same material as your countertops, creating a seamless and elegant look. Whether it's marble, quartzite, granite, or soapstone, an integrated stone sink adds a luxurious touch to any kitchen. The continuity of material from countertop to sink provides a cohesive and high-end appearance. It's a stunning way to make your sink a focal point and a true wow factor in your kitchen. Integrated stone sinks are not only beautiful, but also highly functional and durable. Moving on to idea number 6, incorporating Hutch-Style cabinetry and shelving. Hutches add a nostalgic and charming touch to any kitchen. Essentially, this involves placing an upper hutch on top of a lower countertop, creating a traditional and elegant storage solution. Hutch-style cabinetry offers a more permanent and sophisticated look compared to floating shelves. It can be used to display your finest dishware or to provide additional storage. This design element brings a sense of history and character, making your kitchen feel more like a timeless classic. Number 7 on our list is choosing plumbing fixtures that wow. High-quality, beautiful fixtures are like the jewelry of your kitchen. They not only need to be functional, but should also add to the aesthetic appeal. Invest in durable, well-crafted fixtures for your faucets, pot fillers, and sinks. Opt for finishes that complement your overall kitchen design, such as brushed gold, matte black, or polished nickel. These fixtures are used daily, so choosing ones that are both beautiful and functional will enhance your kitchen experience. Designer idea number 8 is about incorporating stone, metal, and tile range hoods. Range hoods are not just functional elements, but can also serve as striking focal points in your kitchen. Cladding your range hood in unique materials like natural stone, warm metal, or intricate tile adds a bold statement. These materials can complement your kitchen's design while adding texture and interest. A well-designed range hood can transform your cooking area, making it a standout feature in your home. Next, we have the exposed pantry, which is sure to spark some debate. This concept involves using glass walls or doors for your pantry, allowing the contents to be visible. It's a charming design choice that adds a sense of openness and nostalgia. For those who keep their pantry well organized, this can be a beautiful feature. Think glass canisters and neatly arranged ingredients. It's reminiscent of English cottage kitchens, adding charm and a personal touch to your space. Number 10 on our list involves insetting woven metal, glass, or fabric into your cabinet doors. This adds a unique and charming detail to your kitchen cabinetry. Mixed material doors can break up the monotony and add texture. Consider using woven metal mesh, Flemish glass, or fabric insets in your upper cabinets. These elements bring an additional layer of interest and sophistication to your kitchen, making it truly one of a kind. Next up, incorporating wall paneling and exposed beams. These architectural elements are often used in living rooms or entryways, but they can add a dramatic effect to your kitchen as well. Wall paneling can create a traditional and elegant look, while exposed beams add rustic charm and character. Whether you opt for a modern or traditional application, these elements will enhance your kitchen's architectural interest. Finally, we have designer idea number 12, incorporating European-inspired details. These elements include carved moldings, checkered floors, antique lighting, and unique cabinetry hardware like exposed hinges. European-inspired details bring a sense of history and charm to your kitchen. They add depth and character, making your kitchen feel timeless and elegant. Integrating these details thoughtfully can transform your space into a classic European kitchen. To recap, we've explored 12 incredible designer kitchen ideas that can transform your space. From bespoke storage solutions to European-inspired details, each idea brings its own unique charm and functionality. We encourage you to try these ideas in your own kitchen. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media for more design inspiration. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.